And the following girls have reached 100% attendance this year, and it's just a brilliant accolade and well done to you all. So to begin with, we'll start with Year 7. That's Emily. So Year 7, Matilda O'Young, Daya Bath, Holly Boson, Lee Johnson, Need Capilla, Nicole Cucurera, Dorothy McLean, Eliza Schofield, Libby Spencer, Gwenny Thorogood-Page and Olivia Winfield. Well done to you, that's brilliant. Year 8, congratulations goes to Naomi Charlton, Maisie DeBell, Amina Hussain, Juliet Hussey, Mariam Ibra, Eve Johnson, Emily McComish and Annabelle Skinner. Congratulations to you all. Year 9 is Emily Besley, Olivia Collier-Harrod, Marisa Daja, Grace Emerson, Phoebe Fielding, Amelia Jamson, Amna Jimo, Jasmine Price, Katie Sharp and Freya Wagland. Congratulations. Just move on to Year 10. So moving into Year 10 then, well done to the following. Annabelle Arnold, Georgina Clark-Kellaway, Chantal Duprise, Sophie Lewis, Olivia Mauji, Naomi Owen, Manjula Yang and Jitong Yi. Congratulations. Year 12, Gamina Athel, Rosie Halliday, Sophie Kerslake, Mimi Manning, Mary Monkton, Shivani Shrestha and Darcy Taylor. Congratulations to you all. Well done.